Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. 16-year-old Alex Powell picked up his first win and second podium finish of the Formula 4 UAE Championship, as well as winning his first Rookie Cup at the Dubai Aerodrome on the weekend. The Mumbai Falcons driver, after some scintillating action on the opening lap, climbed from third to first on the reverse grid and held off a determined hometown hero, Keanu Al-Azari, for victory, with Australian Jack Beaton finishing third. Powell remained second in the Rookies Championship standings on 134 points, while moving up 2 places to fifth in the overall Drivers' Championship on 69 points.
Starting third and then having a pretty decent start, but then capitalizing on a bit of a mess through lap 1 and getting into the lead and then just sort of holding it for the rest of the lap. I mean, and then of course for the rest of the race, it's a great feeling to be on top. It took a while to get here, but so glad to finally be on top of the podium in F4. It's been a long time coming. We've been close multiple times, but to finally get it, it's like a monkey off your backs.
The championship next returns to Abu Dhabi's Yas Marina circuit for round 4 from February 9 to 11. A month after his reported move to Tanzania, forward Kimani Arboin is back on the island, looking to continue his footballing career in Jamaica. Arboin's agent Damone Priestley confirmed with TVJ Sports that the striker's contract expired on December 12, 2023, leaving him to explore other options. He also explained Arboin's trip to the African country.
It was not a trial. These clubs, they are preparing for... It's a Champions League friendly tournament, and they were preparing for the actual tournament that's coming up over the next few months. And it definitely was not a transfer, because he was a guest player in a friendly tournament. There was no exchange of ITCs, no exchange of international transfer certificate.
Now, the 26-year-old is now a free agent and on the hunt for a new club locally. And his agent, Priestley, says 3 Jamaica Premier League clubs are now expressing interest.
Currently free, registered with Jamaica, and he can sign with any team in Jamaica or abroad, as long as it's within the registration window. And for Jamaica, he can sign outside of that registration window.
Arboin scored 5 goals for Arnott Gardens this season before leaving last December. At sports time, the Jamaica Scorpions were 56 for 5 in their opening match of the West Indies 4-day championships against the Windward Island Volcanoes at Sabina Park. Captain Jermaine Blackwood top scored for the Jamaicans with 14. Ryan John and Shamar Springer have claimed 2 wickets each, while Sherman Lewis also took a wicket. Abijah Mansing and Romaine Morris are batters at the crease. The Scorpions ended last season's campaign without a win and only managed a point after a no result. Meanwhile, the Leeward Island Hurricanes were reeling at 62 for 6 against the West Indies Academy, and the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force are at 58 for 2 versus the Guyana Harpy Eagles. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report, and also concludes our Midday News package. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Prime Time News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.